G'day Explorers, today we're taking a look at the HX-M1 GPS Motorcycle Navigator, a powerful navigation device built for the rider who wants smart connectivity on every journey, whether on-road or off-road. The HX-M1 is a rugged, waterproof, purpose-built navigation unit designed specifically for motorcycles and side-by-sides. It's adventure-ready, straight out of the box and powered by Hema Nav, the same mapping software trusted by explorers who have travelled across Australia and New Zealand. At the heart of the HX-M1 is Hema Nav, delivering both on-road and off-road navigation with confidence. You'll gain access to live traffic features, four-wheel drive guidance and premium off-road maps. On sealed roads, the HX-M1 works like any modern GPS, with clear turn-by-turn navigation and visual guidance on highways. Off-road, Hema Nav gives you the ability to use off-road track guidance. Simply map out your track that you're going to drive down, and off-road guidance will give you detailed terrain mapping, keeping you aware of elevations and also what's around you, not to mention track progress. With Hema's 1.8 million kilometres of track mapped, plus over 1 million points of interest, the HX-M1 has everything you'll need to tackle your journey with confidence, even in remote areas like we are today. The HX-M1 isn't just about Hema's industry-leading navigation. With wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, plus Bluetooth connectivity, you can listen to music, accept or reject calls, and use compatible apps while you're on your ride. Everything is safely controlled by the handlebar controller. You can manage key features like taking phone calls or toggling between different screens, all making sure you don't take your hands off the handlebars. The HX-M1 also supports a front and rear dash cam, so you can record what's around you in a great HD resolution. The built-in G sensor in the HX-M1 automatically saves footage if an incident has occurred. The HX-M1 has a vibration dampener in its mount to make sure you can clearly see where you're riding. It's also waterproof, designed for any off-road trail. So the HX-M1 is that essential bit of kit that you need for either your motorbike or your side-by-side. It combines Hema Maps, powered by Hema Nav's trusted navigation platform, with the modern connectivity including Android Auto or Apple CarPlay to give you access to what you would expect on a modern unit. The HX-M1 is available at hemamaps.com or our local dealer network. Explore further and ride with confidence with the HX-M1.